What's up, everybody? Ronan back again. Well, Sunday, I was checking my vehicle and it was long overdue. When I first started learning how to drive, my grandfather told me about the importance of doing regular maintenance. A little maintenance check, check your condition of your tires, your air filter, check your oil, your transmission. Back then, your oil and transmission had dipsticks. Nowadays, not so much. The oil still has a dipstick, but not the transmission. We also had power steering units back then when I was just starting out, and you had to check the dipstick on that too. So a lot has changed. However, the basics, although there's different variations, have still remained the same. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you how to check your vehicle. Basic maintenance. Things that you should know. It doesn't take that much. All right, let's get to it. So, there's no particular order to do what I'm getting ready to show you. As long as you get it done. Ow. Here we go. Well, you know these components. That's the fluid for the coolant. There's the brake fluid reservoir, the oil cap, air filter box, and the one dipstick. The one dipstick on this whole entire construct, I only have one dipstick. Man. So anyway, let's check the oil. Let me see. Okay. Doesn't look too bad. It is low, but it's not. Okay. So it's about, I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but it's not that bad. So when I check the oil, what I'm looking for is for one, I'm looking at how much oil is on the dipstick. Now, right now, it's about normal for a cold engine. Right at the indicator line. Now, if it was below the indicator line, then I would say add a quart of oil, but it's not, so I'm not going to add anything. The next thing I'm looking for when I check the oil dipstick is the color. Is it real dark? Which is not. It's dark, but it's not like black dark. So it's coming up on needing the oil change. And I'm also looking to see if there's any metal shavings or if the oil is like a milky color. That would indicate that you got other problems that a oil change is not going to fix. Now, like I said, this little maintenance check is basic to let you know the status of your vehicle so that you can get it maintenance. You know, if you do it at home, in the garage, in the driveway, or you can take it to a shop. No particular order on how you do this. Now, previously, I checked the wiper blade, and I actually ended up replacing the wiper blade. So it's still on there. Yeah, it's still on there, which is a good thing. So you also have tires. You got to have good tires on your car. So, um, regardless of what size the tire is, what you're looking for is the tread. Now, these weren't that deep to begin with, but I'm told that there's a wear indicator on the tire, and when it gets close to that wear indicator, that lets you know that tires need to be. There it is. So this little strip right here is a wear indicator, and the grooves are almost down to the wear indicator, which lets me know that I'm gonna need to change tires soon. Now, usually when you get used tires, or if you have a blowout, most people will just replace the one tire. So this tire, for instance, was recently replaced, maybe about 2 months ago. And as you can see, it looks like it's in a lot better shape than the other one. Okay. The little wear indicator is right there. If I can angle it, you can see there's a lot more meat on the tire, on the tread, than it was on the other tire. So that one's good. And this one, back tires are tricky unless you got enough light to see. I can see it, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but this tire is going to need replacing. So what I'll probably end up doing is trying to buy 2 tires at a time, which is what you should do, but depending on your financial circumstances, if you can only get 1 tire, then get a good 1 tire. Don't just go for anything because it's cheap. Now, you also want to check your lights. Just like your house light bulbs go out, the bulbs in your car go out. Okay. So the inside bulbs for the lights are working. Let's check the back. Oh. Now we check the front. I don't know what's going on with my cameras, like depending on the angle, the quality of the picture is messing up. Okay, so the emergency lights are working. Now, because the bulbs do double duty, you can have, I think it's like 3 wires connected to that harness. So your emergency lights can work, but then your turn signal might not work. It's the same bulb, but the way it's wired, it does 2 different jobs. So now I'm checking the turn signal. Just to let you see, that one's not on. I completely turned the emergency lights off. So the only thing that should be showing is the turn indicator. Then we go to the other side. Check the back. And that's working. So now we need to check the right side. And that seemed to be working. Okay. So that's my basic maintenance check. Check the oil, check the condition of the tires, check the lights. And if you want, you can also check the condition of your windshield wiper blades. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. I will talk to you later.